Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert airport symbol in Apple Keynote. Let's get started. At first, open your Apple Keynote software. Then open your Keynote presentation. Now you can see here are my presentation. Now go to the first slide or second slide, third slide, any slide. Now I'm go to my first slide. And you can see here a shape menu. Now I'm click this. And here are many category on the shape. Now go to the symbol, and here we can see here are many symbol. Now I'm search my airport symbol. Now scroll down and you can see this is airport symbol. Now click this and insert it. Now move the symbol. Now increase the symbol, you can increase or decrease this, move anywhere, etc. Now I'm change the symbol color. Now firstly select the symbol, and you can see here are symbol color. Now select any color. Now click this, and you can see here are many color, here are more color, and you can make custom color easily. Now you can see insert airport symbol in Apple Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.